Boys, do I got a special car for you guys to look at today. This thing is rebuilt from the ground up. Everything on this car is new or redone completely. I'm talking powder coat, bolts, nuts, the works. Even the undercoating on this car is completely redone. Everything on this car is new. So I'm here with OEM_Chris.
Yes, sir. How you doing?
And this is his hatchback, and this is his son, Chris.
Christian,
and
Christopher over there.
And Christopher. We got four Chris's here.
Yes, sir.
My lord. When I told you guys that everything in this car is either new, redone, or rebuilt, I wasn't kidding. Everything. Look at the headliner. Look at the speakers in the back. Look at the carpet.
Yep.
Everything.
All the optional stuff under too.
All the optional stuff. Jesus. Look at the paint.
And it was painted in the garage too.
Oh yeah, painted in the garage?
Everything was done in the garage. Everything.
Is the glass all new too?
Yeah, the front windshield's new. These are the originals in the back.
Did you get them buffed or something?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Damn, I have never seen glass this crispy. They always have like scratches or something on it.
Yeah, they're all buffed out. And then I got the brand new EDM headlights and the brand new JDM headlights, quarter lights, and then the OEM lip, brand new OEM, the M lip, brand new.
And these are powder coated as well?
Yeah.
And this is brand new also?
That's the only one I couldn't find.
Oh, the other one?
Nobody wanted
it looks brand new.
Oh, cool. I sent it. I painted it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah,
and these are new, right?
Those are new.
These are new? Damn. And this is new, I take it?
Yeah, these are new. This is new. These little windows in the back are new.
The seal right here on the sides?
All these new. This is new. This is new. This is new. The new guards, the brand new. Everything's new. Most of everything's new.
Let me take this off the tripod real quick so I can show people underneath. Like I said, everything is done. Like, how did you do the undercoating?
I did. Okay, so everybody does a 3M undercoating.
Right.
I did like the bed liner undercoating.
Oh shit!
The whole bottom, all the way to the front.
All new bolts, right?
All new bolts.
Every single bolt in this car. Jesus, how much do you think you spent on this car total?
A lot.
A lot?
Over 20 G's.
Jesus.
Well, that's including buying the car and the paint, like overall.
I remember the last time Vasily was here, you were talking about doing this.
Yeah.
Look at it's Gretty.
So the Gretty has the new one. It's a 3-inch bolt-on.
Oh, that's a 3-inch bolt-on?
3-inch bolt-on. They're made for turbo cars and K-Series cars. So that's a bolt-on 3-inch, true 3-inch all the way.
When you guys see this engine bay too, you'll see.
All right.
So everything on this is new too?
Yeah.
Jesus. Look at OEM Honda battery. What kind of wiring harness?
It's for Wireworks.
Wireworks?
Wireworks.
Jesus.
And I made my little ghetto, the grounds and power.
It's not really that bad. It's not bad at all.
But I made that my own. Everything, all the fuel lines are done from the front and back. All the fuel lines are done front and back.
All brand new?
All brand new, all the way to the front and back.
What kind of brake master is that?
It's actually it's supposed to be a GSR because I have GSR hubs front and rear fully.
Oh, okay.
So I kind of matched the whole brake system. But I run an EM1 portion valve.
Oh, you do?
Under the dash, yeah.
The 4040?
4040, correct.
My lord.
And then I shave all this for the manifold.
All new worm clamps too.
Yeah.
Everything on this car is new.
Yeah, literally, yeah.
I'm pretty sure the fuses are all brand new too.
Maybe new in junkyard. Nah, that's new.
Speed factory tucked radiator.
Yeah.
The hood latch is brand new.
Yep.
Where'd you find the Honda of Canada?
Online. I don't remember. Found somebody. Even I put the emission that belongs in this motor.
Oh shit! No way.
I had the VIN for it, so.
That's new. I take it.
That's new. Yeah, that's new too.
Damn. And you bought these from Honda too?
Yes, correct.
Damn. So you have all the part numbers just chilling at home?
Yeah, correct. Yes, sir.
Jesus, how long would it take you to fill out make a list of all the parts you bought on this?
I don't know. Forever.
Forever?
No, I have notes written down, so I know what's what. It was kind of like a puzzle,
Gee, I don't know how you could how you done it, dude. Like
I run heater. I'm running heater too, so I made one hoses. I'm actually running heater. AC box is there. It's existing, but
No,
I'm not
no
running
AC yet.
right now, not AC yet.
Not yet.
We'll see how it goes for a while.
How would you run AC on this?
I'm gonna have to make some legs because I cut off all the legs. The legs are cut off.
Oh, yeah, that's right, because it's
All of them
tucked.
off. Well, I know they make bolts on and stuff, so I can figure some out.
Yeah.
I don't know. We'll see how it goes because I'm just having fun with it.
Yeah, dude.
I'm not cruising around with AC in traffic. I'm just having fun driving and get the air breeze, you know? My little bald hair, you know? Even this I got it from Japan because Japan's a little different. Oh, thing came off. Japan came a little different. They came black. So I got this, and then, you know, because it's real Type R valve cover.
That's a real Type R valve cover?
Yeah.
Not repainted?
Not repainted, brand new.
Oh, shit, yeah, it feels way different.
Brand new. Yeah, all this is brand new. Because it usually come orange.
Yeah.
I like the orange.
Yeah, no.
Kept it off black.
The orange is kind of like ugly.
Yeah, kind of eyesore.
Yeah, it's like, why would you do that? Why would you make it orange? Like on B series, I guess you can. It's okay.
Oh, yeah.
On B series,
exactly.
but K series is like no.
And then the power supply, I tucked it all in there in the bottom, and it goes right here. It comes right out here. So it's kind of tucked all in the bottom.
And you made that all yourself?
Yeah, that's all made.
Jesus. What kind of headers you running?
I am running K-Tune race header.
Jesus.
And then, I don't know, look at the shifter. You can't tell it's a K.
Oh, what?
So I'm running a 9093 Honda Accord from Hush Performance with Hush Performance hidden plate.
That's fucking sick.
So I want to make it look OEM, JDM inside stock. So you can't, you know, a lot of people know I have K, but if you don't know me, you won't know I have K with it.
Yeah, because like I didn't notice that at all until you pointed it out.
Then I had the optional, so everything's hidden right behind the optional, and I made a hole and it goes down and goes up.
So all the brake lines and everything are hidden behind?
Yeah, everything's hidden behind.
Please tell me you didn't buy that radio brand new too.
No, I wish. I'm trying to look for one.
That's an optional radio, right?
Yeah. Radio, I got the coin, I got the EDM cluster, I got the JDM steering wheel, EDM console, and then the OEM brand new armrest.
Does it have the cup holders on the inside?
Yes.
It does?
Here.
Oh my lord.
I forgot, my buddy told me it's a cup holder. I was like, oh yeah, that's right, there is. And then I got the GSR full. I like this interior.
Yeah, this interior matches with it. It goes really good.
I got power windows.
Oh, okay, because it's CX.
No. I converted it from EX.
Oh, you did?
I can put the motors and everything in it.
So what else on the door panels is new? Like these, I don't know if these door switches are new.
On that side I found this one. These parts are hard to find.
Yeah, mine has a little scuff right here.
Yeah. Well, I found these kind of like mint for some dude. I forgot who it was, but I found these. They're hard to get, you know, anywhere. And I changed the dash because the original cracks, they come all around the front.
Yeah,
so
mine's just starting to crack too.
I found one finally. And in the airbag, I took out the actual airbag, the weight itself, so it just cover itself.
Oh, what the fuck? That's sick. That is so fucking dope. New side skirts too. No, oh yeah, because it's a CX on the outside, right?
So
yeah,
no
moldings.
Even these are new. The shocks, about OEM, I found them.
How the fuck would you find OEM Honda shocks?
You can't even find them. There's like rares of the
rare. Like
and
where
then
would
the hook, this little grommet.
That's just so you can grab the glass, right?
Yeah, just grab the glass off it. That's it. But I found a brand new, might as well get it.
Did you get a new rear glass too, or?
No, that's one thing. Man. People have them, they're like treasure, and people won't, give them up for they're saving it for their build. So.
What about the taillights? Those brand new?
Oh yeah, and look at, so they're all brand new. Look what I did.
The taillights are brand new.
I dropped it in an accident.
Oh no.
They were brand new. I bought them brand new in the box.
Damn. Oh.
I'm over it. That's okay.
This car is so mint.
And then the wheels, I got them redone. The C2s.
These are Race R C2s?
3-piece, 6-inch.
What's your wheel spec, if you don't mind me asking?
Yeah, that's a good one. That's a 16 by 6 maybe? I don't know those race cars very well. I bought them with the car, and I got them refurbished.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, they're actually real C2 from Japan wheels. And I ran into Zenas, Falcon Zenas, of course.
Now, do I even want to ask if inside the gas tank, like the little, the stuff inside is brand new too?
I got a brand new cap. Let's see. Brand new on the cap. This is new for the sticker, and this little popper.
What about the fuel neck and all that stuff, like the metal line?
No, that I left it. It was actually immaculate, but I got the plastic piece that goes on the neck. It's brand new.
Oh, okay. What parts are you missing on this that you need that you want to get still?
There's a little molding goes. I got the whole molding goes all around the hatch. I got that brand new. Just a little molding goes on top of the tailgate. It's the only one I can't find. Yes.
So if you guys know where to get one of those, his Instagram will be in the description down below, and I'll also put it right here on the screen. It's OEM_CRX. CRX. Yeah, I was confusing myself. So OEM_CRX, and you'll find him and his whole build of this car on there. Jesus, dude, how much? I know you paid a lot for the Honda emblems on this thing, because I did. I paid $90 for my front and back. Power windows?
Correct.
I mean,
folding mirrors. That's the last thing I need to hook them up. The relay. That's the only thing I need left.
Oh, these are folding mirrors?
Yeah, JDM folding mirrors.
Jesus Christ, Chris.
Then it had the JDM wing, the long LED 2-piece wing.
Oh, you still have it?
It's on.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
That's the metal one, right?
The metal one's a 1-piece one.
Oh, the metal one's a 1-piece.
And everything's power coded from the subframe, from the rear trolley arm. Everything's power coded. Sway bars. I'm running a GSR full suspension, literally.
I could see how you spent $20,000 on this thing. I could see that. Did you shave the windshield wiper squirter holes?
So this I bought the hood with the shade. That's all I like it. It looks clean and sleek.
Damn.
So I'm running. Everybody has to have windshield wipers, you know.
Yeah.
But squirters, it's a race car. Right?
Yeah, you don't need squirters on there.
And I run Hyper Racing, Phil. K-Tune throttle body, 72mm. I did a little port match. So I did do a dyno tune at churches. I did 248 at the wheels, horsepower, and then 179 torque.
Damn.
So this thing's.
And this is all stock.
All stock. I just have it. I just put a TSX cam, and it's running as full E85.
Full E85?
Full E85.
I thought you were on 91.
No, full E85.
Damn. And you're tuned on K-Pro?
Tuned on K-Pro, correct.
K-Pro, which version?
It's the new with the V4.
Jesus.
And I'm running 3-inch piping from the header all the way to the back. So she's opened up very well.
Yeah, it sounded beautiful.
People had the same it's 2.0 C3, the SI motor. I had people that had this that had ran lower numbers, but this motor only has 52,000 original miles.
And your boys, do they love it?
Oh yeah, they get scared.
You guys like the car?
Yes.
Which one of you guys want the car when you guys get older?
He wants the red one.
You want the red one?
He wants the CRX.
I haven't seen the CRX.
Yeah, that's the E one. That's one of his favorites.
What about Chris? What does he want? Does he want this one?
Christopher, which one you want? The green one or the red one?
I don't know.
He don't know.
I say green.
Oh, now he likes the green.
I'll take the green one if you don't.
He likes the green.
You accepting kid forms like where you need a new son?
Yeah.
How old are you?
He is 38. He is
I could be your son. I could be your son. Yeah. 31. But I mean, like somewhere down the line, you had another kid.
Yes, sir.
Dad.
What's going on here?
I found my dad, guys.
That's brand new. The clips and everything.
Oh my God! Look, it even has a sticker on it.
That's brand new.
I tried to keep my sticker on, but it fell off.
Yeah. Oh, it'll fall off eventually.
Yeah.
So, but yeah.
Well, during the winter, it'll fall off with all the rain and shit.
So I got lucky on the moldings. Like 3/4 of the moldings in this car. Some kid, I was looking online and trying to find piecing them together, and I went on Craigslist out of nowhere. Some kid had 3/4 of the moldings.
All brand new.
Like $1,500, and I offered him like $1,200, and he went for it, and I went to pick him up right away.
Damn.
He had them for like years. He was gonna build his car, but he went another route. Maybe things happen.
That's usually how it goes.
So I was like, I'll give $1,200 cash right now. Come get him.
You're not selling this, right?
No. Well, I got offers already for it.
Really?
Yes, at the show from the beginning.
How much did people offer you? Like,
well, they didn't give me a number. But I told him I'm over 20 grand into it, just parts wise, not labor. He's like, I know. I'll give you around what you want. I know kind of.
Because like, if you really think about it, really think about it, this car is completely brand new.
Yeah, exactly.
It is 100% brand new.
It rides so good. My TSX steering wheel, it just shakes the hair. This one just steady on the highway. Not even moving.
Everything on
Rack
this
and pinion is brand new.
Rack and pinion, everything is new on this.
Everything's brand new.
Everything.
I went the original ball joints. The only thing I have is the camera kit is not original. I run Skunk 2 Pros, upper control arms, and then the camera kit rear to keep the geometry good. But everything else, like ball joints and bearings, are all original Honda.
Everything. Even the wheel studs.
Even wheel studs. Wheel studs. Oh yeah, because that came with the cups. Yeah.
No.
Studs, yeah.
Where the hell did you find OEM hubs for this thing?
Online.
Online? Everything online?
Yeah.
You just been hunting
I'm like searching and
all day, every day.
One here, one there, one here, one there.
Damn. And you did all this yourself
I
too?
did everything myself. I did everything fully myself. So all I didn't do is the paint, and I had a buddy help me do the extended wiring for the headlights. Everything's extended. So everything's wire tucked. Even our AC plugs right here. So when I add it on the bottom, when I add it on, they'll plug it in and go the harness on. But my buddy helped me with that.
Do you have a full new chassis harness on this?
No, I don't.
No?
No, I don't. I did take off the whole dash and then kind of rewire and did everything right. I took all the old school alarms off and I put everything OEM spec.
Stuff that you're not going to use, you took out?
Took everything off because you know
like if there was a sunroof thing, you would take it out.
Take
like
it off.
Yeah,
delete a lot of stuff.
So you know wiring then? You know how to do wiring?
Well, I learned now. I learned. I hate wiring, but I learned. But I did. Yeah, I did everything myself.
What about underneath here? Any new fuel pump stuff underneath?
Yeah,
like
I'm running a Walbro 450.
Walbro
E85. Injectors are running 750 injectors, CC grams.
What about like the little metal cup, like cap that goes over? Is that brand new too?
No, I wish it was.
No, okay.
If they had it, I would have bought it. But I did run a relay. So it's not running off the OEM relay.
Oh, okay.
It gets too
oh,
high,
so you're running the CGS relay thingy, right?
Well, the relay, I did it. I stuck mine right behind the speaker, so you get access to it, and it's mounted right there.
Oh, okay,
and
yeah.
And the wire, you see here, there's a little fuse thing here in the back.
Yeah, I saw that when we were walking around.
That's the relay.
That's the fuse, the fuel relay.
Yeah. So if it pops.
Where did you find these?
Oh, actually, that I found them on Honda Parts, HondaPartsNow.com.
Really?
But it's not Pacific, so I was just searching and had to find every little thing, and I bought extras because it's not Pacific when you buy it which one's wet.
Because they're all different sizes.
And there's like arrows everywhere. So I just bought like a bunch of stuff and then just kind of puzzled together.
And you shaved the engine bay.
Yeah, it's like a little shave. It wasn't fully shaved.
Yeah.
Blocked off and blocked all the holes, but I did cover some welds.
Any cracking or anything?
Yeah, one little one here.
Oh shit. How would you repair that?
We had to grind all the way down and primer it and repaint it.
Is that metal or Bondo?
That's a good one because so I don't remember last time I went to 2 or 3 paint guys overall. So that was one of the first or second paint guy that didn't do it right.
He didn't do it right?
Yeah.
Fuck.
So we thought most everything was good. Just build took long because I was waiting for my paint and the harness. That's like almost 2 years away.
Oh shit! You know what I haven't showed you is I don't know if you remember my friend Alex, but his Integra that was here. I don't know if you've seen it before. Have you ever seen it before?
No,
it's been here for at least 2 years now.
DB?
No, DA.
DA? Okay.
DA. So we did the paint and we finished it. Would you like to take a look?
Yes, sir.
Well, I'm gonna let Chris get out of here. I just got shat on by a bird, and he saw that.
On the shirt, and the shirt.
Oh no, that's Bondo.
Oh, okay.
But thank you again for showing me your car.
Anytime, buddy.
I appreciate it.
Anytime.
Please tell me the battery's not dying yet. It says charge battery pack. Okay, cool. We're still recording.
We're still good.
All right, dude. I'm gonna make the closeout right here in a second. I gotta charge my battery. Yo, dude, if you guys like that car, please make sure to subscribe because you guys are gonna see a lot more cars on this channel. I got another car coming. I'm just gonna say one word. Type R. That's your hint. So if you guys like this video, please make sure to subscribe. Links to my sponsors so you guys can save yourself some monies are down below. My name is Chris from Lazymangarage, and I'm lazy so you don't have to be. Peace.